Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and today we are gonna unbox the Nokia 6.1 Plus. This one is built on the Android One platform. So let's see what's inside the box.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
So before I go ahead, let me just talk about the box first. I've been big fan of the Nokia box since its inception, and this box is no different. On the side you get this neat little Nokia branding, which is in dull gold. It is actually kind of bronzish, and you get the image of the phone in front. Yes, it has the notch. So if you turn it around, you get to see a couple of specifications of the smartphone. To start with, it's got Android Oreo, which is the Android One pure platform, a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus screen with 19:9 aspect ratio, 16 plus 5 MP dual rear cameras and a 16 MP front camera. Dual sight mode, of course, you can take both these with this one, and it's built on the Qualcomm 636 mobile platform. At the bottom, you can see the price is written as the MRP actually is 17,600, but we are hoping at the time of the launch it'll come down a little. So overall, a neat little box and a nicely tucked in phone, I'm guessing. Cool. So let's go ahead and I've got my trusty knife with me. Let me just rip that case open. There you are, that's the mobile phone. That's the Nokia 6.1 Plus in its shiny armor. It's available in 3 colors, blue, black and white. I'm hoping all 3 would come to India at the time of the launch. Let me just rip that open for you. So we've got the black version in our hand, and it seems pretty decent at the first glance. I'm just going to keep it on the side for a little while and see what else is inside the box. You get the SIM ejector tool here. Underneath that I can see a couple of manuals and a warranty card. Then next to it is, I'm hoping, is the power brick. The USB Type-C charging cable and a pair of headphones. I don't see any tips on top of that. It's a plain plastic headphone inside the box. At least they are giving one. Right, so those are the contents of the box. Pretty usual stuff that Nokia supplies. This one I think is a fast charger with a better voltage charge for the Nokia 6.1 Plus. I'm gonna keep that on the side for a little while. I'm gonna bring back the phone now. Let's talk about the aesthetics. Up front you get a 5.8-inch FHD Plus screen. The resolution is 2280 by 1080. Over that you get a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is basically 2.5D curved glass. On the left side you get a SIM slot. This is a dual SIM slot. It can accommodate 2 nano SIMs. On top you get a 3.5mm jack. On the right there's a power button and volume rocker keys as well. At the bottom you get the speaker grill and the USB Type-C charging port. At the back, as we mentioned, it's got dual rear cameras, a fingerprint reader and the Nokia branding. A glass back as well. So I'm guessing it'll attract a couple of smudges here and there, but I'm sure a quick clean wipe would just rub them off. So let me talk about the other specifications. It's got 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and it supports a microSD card up to 400 GB. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, AGBS. As far as the battery is concerned, it's got 3060 mAh, which is of course non-removable, and one can fast charge it. Right, so that is the home screen of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. It is dominated by this large touchscreen which has a notch on top, and as soon as we have turned it on, it's got a couple of applications being installed. At the bottom you do get a little bit of chin, but you know, when we are looking at it closely, it does seem a little bit like the iPhone X. The curve and the way the notch is placed, there is a little bit of similarity. However, it has its own distinct features, and in the hand it is quite nice to hold. So it's built on the Android One platform, which means basically you're gonna get 2 letter upgrades for 2 years, and for 3 years you're gonna get the monthly security updates, which is, you know, part of the Android One initiative. So the smartphone does have an app drawer, and I do see that there is minimal bloatware. It's pure Android experience, and what you get is just Android on it. Of course, if you want to download more applications, you can download from the Play Store itself. So let's go ahead and take a couple of pictures. We'll get to know what exactly the camera is all about. Right, so overall we do like the phone. The first look is quite nice. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is not that big in the hand, it's not that bulky. It's kind of grippy. I mean, these metallic sides on the smartphone are not slippery at all. We are quite actually impressed with it. Okay, so that's the Nokia 6.1 Plus for you. If you did like the video, do share it, do comment, and do head to our Instagram channel and subscribe to that as well. We have a giveaway running. A couple of days are left. I'm sure you would want to participate in that. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge.